Stick that on there so we kind of see how it looks from this side. This is straight. We got the fabric on. Michael's taking it up. Kind of roughed in a little bit. Cool.
That's about all the drawings that we have. Besides these. Yes, you're right.
Pretty good 150, I think.
Yeah.
You gonna try to get it down, you don't wait for help.
Just kind of get an idea. Of course, your feet will be back here.
Wow, this looks pretty nice. Y'all package everything that's nice, y'all. I can't see it enough yet, but it looks like a motor. A motor? Looks like an X-Wedge. Is that the new terminology for it? It's going to be the X-Wedge? Yeah, it's the X-Wedge. Comes with a fuel pump kit and everything, huh? Michael. The head. Yes. Man, what do you think? Work of art. Mock-up can't do this thing justice.
I know that's right. That mock-up doesn't do that any justice at all. That's beautiful.
Help us keep the concentricity of the cylinder.
Right.
And it's going to be a one-piece crank. You guys know that. Side-by-side connection.
Instead of male and female.
Yep. It wants all
There you go, guys.
powder coat.
Oops. Looks like a quarter of a radial piston.
Wow.
Yeah. An airplane.
It's like a mini V8 with, you know.
Yeah, it looks like the front of a V8.
Yep.
It's like a mini V8.
Yeah. Did he?
That's awesome.
I felt it necessary. That's how I make my living, you know.
Yeah.
Building engines, motorcycles. So I got
Aftermarket kits is like a roller rocker arm. You know, we're going to force oil to the valve tip.
Okay.
So,
a little prints or something.
You ready? Yeah. Okay, you want me to pull this plastic off?
Yes. Alrighty, you first.
That's that bar right there.
Let the big boys do this.
Oh, taking real good care of it.
It's about as low as it'll go before get a little interference.
That'll be easy to fix.
Yeah.
See, that thing's a deal. That motor is just, it fits in there like it was made for it. Matter of fact, it was.
It was made for it. Aaron? Oh, you guys will do something nice with that.
Thick. Thick.
You guys, Tracy, you might want to seal up the motor because
Yes, sir. Yeah.
all the
we're doing
exhaust
that.
ports
Right
are
away,
open
man.
and the fuel injection.
That's why I'm holding this. It's going on directly.
Michael, you don't make dual throttle bodies for this, do you?
Dual?
Yeah.
You make the pipes for riding?
So he's something like that.